So, hello everyone. It's been a couple days since I've uploaded. Actually, it's been a couple weeks. My bad. But I sure have an amazing video for you guys right now. So this here... Here I have a huge package. It's not an air fryer, I promise. But no, this is something that I've ordered. Marketplace. And let's open it up together. So the box is that big that I can't even actually like fully show it on camera. Because, well, I have my phone in a stand. I always do. And it doesn't even fit, so. But yeah, let's have a look, shall we? Carefully cut this open. Okay. There we go. So, oh shit. It's covered in paper, newspaper actually. Maybe there is something interesting to read on there. No, but there's a lot in here, a lot of newspaper. And then everything looks quite nice. So, up top here, there's a couple engines. I know you can't see that well. No, you can. So let's start off with, I guess, this guy right here. So this is Trackmaster Reneus, as you can see. Yeah, let me put this to the side real quick. Look at this young man. There we go. Here he is, Trackmaster Red Reneus. So if you might remember, I actually had a yellow Reneus for a while. Not anymore though, I sold him off. But now I have a red one. And he works just fine, I think. So, oh yeah, that's a nice goer. Look at that guy, nice. Trackmaster Red Reneus. So actually how I'm going to do this, now that I've unboxed an engine, there's also two sets in here. So now I will pick up one of the sets and then we'll do engine set, engine set. So this really quickly put aside, and then I really don't have a lot of space. Okay, hold on just a second. Here we go. Reneus, you're going to be our little tester for whatever this is. But that's nice. I mean, Red Reneus, picked them for $17.50. Nice. Okay, there's more wrapping paper. And oh, I think you can see it already, sort of. What's in here? So in here is quite a bit of track. So what is this? Yes, so this is the... Okay, I'll open this up real quick. So what I have here actually goes with the set you just saw. This is a whole bunch of track with the boulder right here. I think I'm gonna have a look at this track in a little set off camera and then show everything like fully off, but so here's the piece that of course goes with it. This is the all-important piece. Let me really quickly go get Boulder. I want to see how this works, and I think you guys do too. So let me see if I can really quickly like type down a little bit. I unfortunately can't really, so we'll have to do it like this. Okay, so we have Big Man Reneus right here. I actually don't... The set goes like this, I think. And then this button, this one right here, triggers Boulder to go. Oh, he goes the other way, it seems. Yeah, okay, so it works just like this. And then, oh, fuck. Okay, I'll go figure something out. And then boom. And then there goes the boulder, and now he goes that way. So the boulder seems a bit bipolar. So yeah, but this is of course amazing. Oh, I can actually, oh, so this is of course Flipface James came with this set. And that's where this part is for, of course, since well, I used to own a Flipface Thomas, not anymore, sold that off as well, oof, fortunate, but this would have worked really nice with that. But I bet you, I'm really happy so far already with this lot, so this is nice. I'm gonna do a good, I'm gonna show off everything like fully that I got inside this set, including the tracks at the end. So yeah, we have that guy in here. Now let's get an engine again, since well, why not? And over here is, well, you can probably see him already. This is a standard Tommy Thomas. The reason why I got a new guy, okay, I need to replace the traction tires, but luckily I just got a new set in, so I'm fine. This is a standard Tommy Thomas. He actually looks fucking amazing. You know, excuse my bad language, but look at him. I mean, he's got all the pieces still on there, and he's quiet as well. It really is. This is an engine that I can check real quick. Oh, he even has this part working. That's so cool. Okay, let me cover up that battery. Okay, he did have corrosion. He did have a little bit of corrosion, not that much though. But having the Tommy Thomas with that working tab feature, that's crazy. I mean, like, actually, this Thomas is just as good as condition as you could get. So yeah, that's amazing to have now as well. Another Tommy Thomas. My Senn actually broke, my own OC. The chassis split, so I'm not going to be using this Tommy Thomas or the one that I currently have. I'm going to be buying another one, so probably worse condition one. But I also wanted to really quickly give an update on something else. Remember I had bought my Trackmaster Henry with the beaten up stickers and stuff. I've actually fitted a new set of stickers at the back here, printed these out. And he looks amazing now. So I mean, I don't have anything to complain about him. He looks just awesome. So we have that now. And then there's one more thing inside this box, I think. Yeah, it's this. I sometimes buy from this seller, and they always include like a drawing, which is actually super cool. I actually really think that's cool. But in here is a track pack with like some with like some more rare pieces like these. I have like, there's 2 in here. And then there's also a lot more risers. A style of risers that I didn't have. This type. I'll have a look at this completely at the end. We also need to give these guys a run eventually, so that's also something that I'll be doing that on this track set though. But yeah, that's something that we'll take a look at completely at the end because, well, why not? And now we head on to the last engine right here, and this is actually a Trackmaster Victor. Let's have a look here. Mr. Trackmaster Victor, come on out, big boy. Oh yes. Okay, so he's actually got a bit of a dirty eye. Might clean that out, probably will. For the rest, I don't think he looks too bad, does he? You know? Trackmaster Victor. Looks quite good. A little bit on the loud side. I don't mind though. I like this kind of sound because, well, it shows you that they're the old Trackmaster and not those type of new stupid shit. So, there he goes. Looking great, Victor. Yeah, that was the lot. That was everything that was inside here. That was everything that was inside this carton. where the engines were inside of. So I'm gonna really quickly set something up real quick, or we'll set the track up, and then I'll be coming right back and we'll do a little running session of these guys. Also get a little bit clean up and show the rest of the track that's inside here. So I'll be back in a little second. Okay, so everything you see here was what we got. Of course, we have our 3 engines here: Tommy Thomas, Trackmaster Victor, Trackmaster Reneus. This guy is actually 2009 Mattel, yes. And your Mattel as well, your Mattel as well. Here's all the track that came with the Boulder Mountain set. There was one little thing missing. I think it was like a sign or something. I really don't care. And this is what is inside that track pack. So we have the risers, the crosses, and it's all just looking amazing. So I'm gonna picture up a little track right now, and then we can have a little running session with these guys. So I'll be back. Okay, so what I have right here set up is Thomas at Boulder Mountain. The other tracks are all the way back there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do something with that right now, but I was thinking, yeah, let's give these engines a little running session. So here we go, we have Thomas right here. Let's send him off first. This guy is in amazing condition for a 1992 Thomas. With the working tab feature, everything. And seeing him run around looks amazing. I mean, like, seriously. So we're gonna have Boulder go next. I wanna see how Boulder does. So when Thomas comes around, we go Biff. Boom! Oh, well, that didn't work out. Okay, so Thomas is gonna come right through again. And he's gonna push Boulder. Push Boulder, boy! Oh yeah! Bye-bye! Nice. Okay, let me really quickly reset and we'll get someone else on here. Okay, Boulder's back at his spot. Let's get Reneus going. Reneus, my boy. I was mostly excited to get this guy. Reneus is actually, I think, my favorite narrow gauge right now as well. So, him moving looks great. He's looking absolutely stunning. Really happy to have one of these again. Since, well, yeah. Okay, I have to really quickly take a break right there, but when Reneus comes back around, I'm gonna hit that boulder, and he's gonna go flying! Look at him go. Oh, yes. Okay, Boulder, work this time, would ya? Oh, he hit my finger, and he rolled the other way. Okay, so Boulder is actually... There he goes. Oh, that's better. Okay, let's hope that, last but not least with Victor, it could go better. Victor is last. Oh yes, Victor. Let's go, bro. So he's the slowest from the pack. And the loudest. This guy makes an awful lot of noise. You know what? He runs nice. Having a Victor is cool. Look at that. Let's send Boulder, shall we? Go, Boulder. Oh, right on top of him. Oh my god. Okay. We'll do one more shot with him. Let's hope that 4 times is the charm. And he goes under. Go! Okay, that was kind of underwhelming. But you know what? It was nice. Let's get everybody running on this track for once. Then I'm going to end off the video. Oh yes, amazing. Go Boulder. Really cool. Get him right. Oh, he's right in between right there. Nice, man. Amazing lot. Really happy. Everything's great. So, yeah. I forgot to tell you how much I picked this up for. This has cost me... This did cost me 73 euros, including shipping. So, I know that I'm going to use a whole lot of stuff out of this. You might think 73 euros is a lot, but if you look at it in detail, it's actually like, it's actually fair priced. So, I really don't mind. Amazing set. Nice. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Apologies for not uploading for a little while. I'll be back making new videos soon, but school has started again, so it's getting busy. I'll see you guys very soon, and peace out. Bye bye.